Everybody's comparing the GoPro Hero 9 Black to the GoPro Hero 8. Even the 7s, 6s, and 5s are getting compared. And everybody seems to be focused on horizon lock and stabilization. Some of the most impressive upgrades, no doubt. But one feature that's not getting talked about is hindsight. I've got my camera turned on. It's obviously pointed forward, but it isn't recording. If something happens in front of me that I would have missed with any of those other cameras, I just say, GoPro, start recording. It activates and it does its job. But the amazing thing, it captured the last 30 seconds. You see, it had been passively recording even though I hadn't told it to. So now if something happens in front of me, all I have to do is activate the camera and it's like it goes back in time. How many times have we all missed footage wishing we could go back and capture it? Well, now with the GoPro Hero 9, that's exactly what it does. And for me, this is a game changer.